Hey, Jane. Let's talk about colors.
All right.
What is blue?
The ocean is blue. The sky is blue. During the day, the sky is blue. And my eyes are blue.
Oh, mine too. What is red?
Red. Let's see. Well, tomatoes are red. Strawberries are red, and
roses are red.
roses are red. That's right.
Yeah. What is green?
Well, lots of vegetables are green. Lettuce is green. Cabbage is green or purple. And asparagus is green.
Asparagus, right. Also, grass is green.
That's right. Grass is green.
What is yellow?
Well, lemons are yellow. The sun is yellow, sometimes, or orange.
Or red?
What else is yellow?
Sunflowers are yellow.
Sunflowers are yellow. That's nice.
What is orange?
Also, sometimes the sun is orange. Oranges are orange.
Of course.
And persimmons are orange.
Yes.
Oh, I know.
What?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Carrots are orange.
Of course. Carrots are orange. What is black?
Sometimes dirt is black. The night sky is black.
Right. And your shirt is black.
Yes. I like my black shirt.
What is white?
Vanilla ice cream is white. The snow is white.
Yes. And clouds are white.
Clouds are white. And sometimes clouds are black.
Yes, when it's going to rain.
Or gray.
Right. What is pink?
Some flowers are pink. Cotton candy is pink.
Yes.
And sometimes lollipops are pink.
Yeah. A lot of candy is pink, sometimes.
Now, sometimes women's clothing is pink.
Or men's.
Or men's. Do you like pink shirts?
I don't usually wear pink shirts. What about you?
I don't like pink shirts. I don't like pink, actually.
Oh, that's too bad.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange.
Really? Orange?
Yeah, I love orange. It's so bright. What about you?
I have 3. I like the same. I know I like green. I love green, I love blue, I love purple.
You like the cool colors.
Right. I don't like orange, I don't like yellow, and I don't like pink.
You don't like the warm colors.
Yes. Bright colors, not so much.
I see.
What about red? Do you like red?
I don't especially like red. I like red poppies, a type of flower.
All right, yeah.
But I don't like to wear red.
Yeah, me too. Do you dislike any colors?
Actually, I don't like brown. I think it's a boring color.
Yeah, that's true. But often dogs are brown and I love dogs.
I also like dogs, so a brown dog is okay. But a brown shirt, no, thank you. So Jane, what is a typical day for you? For example, what is a typical morning?
Well, I wake up at about 7 o'clock a.m.
Oh, that's early.
Yes, I really am a morning person.
I think you are a morning person. I'm not a morning person at all.
Well, I don't actually get out of bed until about 7:30.
Okay, so what do you do?
Well, I play on my phone, I check my emails, I check Facebook, and I read the news.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
I usually prepare breakfast at home, yeah.
What do you eat?
Oh, just the simple stuff, eggs, bacon, sausages, sometimes I'll have toast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
No, I don't like coffee or tea.
Oh, what do you drink?
Actually, I like hot chocolate in the morning.
Yeah, I like hot chocolate too. So what about your day?
Well, I'm a teacher. I teach at a school. Lessons start at about 9 o'clock a.m. and we have lunch at noon.
How many classes do you have in the morning?
Each class lasts an hour, so I have 3 classes.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, we have a huge canteen.
Is the food good?
The food is great and it's so much fun eating with the students too.
Is the food cheap or expensive?
It's pretty cheap. I'd say maybe $3 for lunch.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, and for that you get a lot of food.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon I have more lessons, usually taking me till about 4 o'clock p.m.
Oh, and do you have big classes?
Yes, so I teach English, that means I teach the whole year, so I have really big classes. We have about 200 students at the school.
That's a lot.
Yes, it is.
What about the evening? What do you do in the evening?
When I get home I'm usually really tired, so I get changed into my pajamas and I watch TV for about 2 hours. After that, I'll maybe have some dinner, maybe get a pizza and then read a book or play on my phone again.
What do you watch on TV?
I really like watching Korean drama.
Korean dramas are cool.
I know, the characters are so much fun.
Do you listen to K-pop?
A little bit, but I think it's a little bit boring. I prefer American pop.
Oh, so you like Korean dramas and American music?
That's right. I also like game shows.
Oh, what game shows?
Well, actually, my favorite one is Busted, and that's also Korean.
Okay, I need to see that. So when do you go to bed?
Most nights I go to bed at around 10 o'clock p.m., but at the weekend, sometimes it's later, maybe around midnight.
Well, I think you have an interesting and long day.
That's right, I'm usually very tired.
So Sarah, tell me, do you cook much?
Yes, I always cook. I often cook with my roommate, and we always make Chinese or Japanese food. How about you?
Well, I don't really cook that often. I'm really busy during the week. So, I always just get something at the shop and get that. But, during the weekends, I always cook during the weekends because I really like making food. That's what I do.
So, do you ever eat out?
Only occasionally, because I'm really busy during the week, and I prefer cooking, so not really often. I don't go out really often to eat, but whenever I'm tired, and I don't have time to cook during the week, I go and eat out with a friend. So how about you?
Well, so I normally go and eat out during the weekend with my friends or family.
So, do you ever buy takeaway?
No, I never. Normally when I go out to eat, I like to sit and enjoy my food. How about you?
Well, that's really nice. Of course, I do like to sit and enjoy my food, but I have to admit that occasionally I have to buy takeaway, especially when I'm coming late from work and I'm driving. I'm so hungry that, most of the time, I don't really make it home, so I have to buy something on my way, and that's a shame, but that's the way it is. And do you usually have people over for dinner?
Yes, I sometimes do. I really like cooking, so occasionally I invite my friends over and cook for them, or we all cook together. How about you?
Not really. I do love cooking, but the problem is my place is really small, so even though I want to invite my friends, I never do it, because my place would only fit 1 or 2 people. So, unfortunately, I never have my friends over for dinner.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!